Hey everyone, Mark here. Glad to have you back for another deep dive into the world of TVs. Today we're checking out the Samsung 75-inch class QN85D series Neo QLED 4K TV. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth talking about. This isn't just another big screen. Samsung's 2020 isa dia ay non-for den naldri nar under mounted donen mod is here with a super sleek look and enough features to make any tech fan excited. If you're into the details, the model is QN75 QN85D BFXZA, and the SKU is 6576434, just in case you want to look it up. Right out of the gate, this TV's pulling in a strong 4.7 out of 5 stars, with over 100 folks chiming in. People seem to be really enjoying it. But here's the thing, does it actually live up to all the hype? And maybe even more important, could this be the right TV for you? Stick with me because we're going to break down everything, the good, the not so good, and yes, even the bezels, so you can figure out if this Samsung should be your next big upgrade. Oh, and by the way, this TV comes in at $1,399.99, so let's chat about whether all that tech is really worth the price. Let's jump in. Okay, let's jump right into the fun stuff. Let's talk specs, because honestly, Samsung has packed just about everything you could imagine into this TV. Seriously, it's like they raided the tech store and left only the kitchen sink behind. First up, let's talk about Neo QLED. If you're scratching your head at that name, don't worry, you're not alone. It sounds fancy, but it's not just some marketing mumbo-jumbo. What it really means is you're getting a whole new level of LED TV technology. Basically, Samsung took the regular LED backlight and swapped it for thousands of these tiny, super precise mini LEDs. Why should you care? Well, imagine your TV having way more dimming zones than usual. That means the backlight can be controlled with crazy accuracy, so you get those deep, inky blacks, super bright whites, and a contrast ratio that'll make you do a double take. It's kind of like listening to your favorite song on a tiny phone speaker versus blasting it on a full home theater system. Total game changer. But wait, there's more. Samsung didn't stop there. This TV is rocking 4K resolution, so you're getting a super crisp, detailed picture every time you turn it on. Whether you're into blockbuster movies or nature docs, every leaf, every hair, every little detail just pops right off the screen. And of course, it's a smart TV too. Samsung's Tizen operating system is running the show, and honestly, it's one of the easiest and smoothest smart TV platforms out there. It's quick, it's simple, and you get access to all the big streaming services you could ever want. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, if you can name it, it's probably here. But hang on, we're just getting started. This TV also comes loaded with cool extras like HDR support for even richer colors and better contrast, motion rate tech for those super smooth action scenes, and even an ambient mode that turns your TV into a piece of art when you're not watching anything. So yeah, on paper, the Samsung QN85D is looking seriously impressive. But hey, specs are only half the story, right? What really matters is how all this tech actually works in real life. So, let's see what this thing can really do. Alright, let's get into the fun part. Picture quality. Because honestly, that's what we all care about most, right? And I've gotta say, the Samsung QN85D really brings its A game here. The very first thing you'll notice? The colors. They're super vibrant and just so spot on. Reds that jump out at you, blues that practically glow, and greens that look like they're straight out of a nature doc. Seriously, it's like someone turned up the saturation on real life. And those mini LEDs we mentioned earlier, they make the contrast absolutely pop. Blacks look deep and inky, whites are super crisp, and you barely see any of that annoying blooming around bright stuff on dark backgrounds. It just makes everything feel more cinematic, more immersive, like you're right there in the action. But hey, it's not only about colors and contrast. The QN85D is also awesome when it comes to handling motion. I threw some fast action scenes and sweeping nature shots at it, and honestly, there was barely any motion blur. Moving objects stayed sharp, and I didn't notice any weird judder or stutter at all. And while we're talking about motion, let's chat about gaming for a sec. Because if you love gaming, this TV is seriously impressive. With low input lag, variable refresh rate, and a dedicated game mode, the QN85D makes gaming feel super smooth and totally immersive. Whether you're into fast shooters or epic RPGs, this TV can totally keep up. Of course, no TV is perfect. Don't worry, We'll talk about the downsides soon. But honestly, when it comes to picture quality, the Samsung QN85D totally delivers. It's bright, it's vibrant, it's detailed, and it handles motion like a pro. So if you want a TV that gives you that true movie theater vibe at home, the QN85D is definitely worth a look. Okay, so we've talked about all the awesome things this TV has going for it, and honestly, there's a lot to get excited about. But let's be real for a second, no gadget is perfect, right? The Samsung QN85D has a few little quirks you'll want to know about before you shell out your hard-earned cash. First up, let's chat about viewing angles. Samsung's definitely made some big improvements here over the years, and the QN85D does a pretty solid job. You can totally sit off to the side and still enjoy a great picture. But, just being honest, it's not flawless. If your living room has a super wide seating setup, you might notice a bit of color shifting or a slight dip in contrast if you're way off to the side. It's not a huge deal, but it's something to keep in mind if you've got a big crowd. Next up, let's talk about the price. There's no sugarcoating it. The QN85D is a premium TV, and the price definitely reflects that. But hey, you're getting a lot for your money. Gorgeous picture quality, a super sleek design, and a bunch of cool features. Still, if you're watching your budget, there are definitely cheaper TVs out there. The real question is, will those other options give you the same awesome performance as the QN85D? Probably not. And finally, let's talk about something a lot of folks worry about: burn-in. Burn-in or image retention is something you might hear about with OLED and QLED TVs. Basically, it's when a static image sticks around on the screen after being there for a long time. Samsung's put in some smart tech to help prevent this on the QN85D, and honestly, I didn't run into any issues during my testing. Still, it's technically possible, so it's worth mentioning just so you know. So there you go, a few things to think about before you hit that buy button. But honestly, these are pretty minor nitpicks in the grand scheme of things. The Samsung QN85D is still a fantastic TV that gives you an amazing viewing experience. Alright, so we've already seen that the Samsung QN85D can deliver some seriously stunning visuals, but honestly, this TV is way more than just good looks. Let's take a peek under the hood and talk about what really makes it tick: the Tizen operating system and all the smart features packed in. First up, using the Tizen interface is super easy. It's clean, it's simple, and honestly, it's kind of fun to use. Everything's laid out in a way that just makes sense, and I never found myself getting lost or annoyed while searching for something. And when it comes to finding your favorite shows or movies, the QN85D has you covered with all the big streaming apps: Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, YouTube, Apple TV+, you name it, it's probably already here. And if you want something else, just hop into the Samsung App Store and grab it. But Samsung didn't stop there. You also get a built-in web browser, screen mirroring, and even voice control. How cool is that? Yep, you can actually talk to your TV and tell it what to do. Just say, "Hey Bixby" to Samsung's voice assistant, and you can change the channel, turn up the volume, or even search for your favorite shows. All hands-free. And for all the gamers out there, the QN85D has Samsung's gaming hub built right in. That means you get access to a bunch of cloud gaming services, so you can jump into the latest games without even needing a console or PC. Pretty awesome, right? But honestly, my favorite smart feature is ambient mode. You can show off artwork, your own photos, or even just a clock when you're not watching TV. It's a small touch, but it really makes your living room look that much nicer, and helps the TV blend in, instead of just being a big black rectangle when it's off. So yeah, the Samsung QN85D isn't just about looks. It's a smart, capable, and super fun TV that can pretty much do it all. Okay, let's wrap things up together. We've chatted about the Samsung QN85D's eye-catching specs, its gorgeous picture quality, and even a couple of little quirks, plus all those smart features packed in. But here's the real question: should you actually spend your hard-earned money on it? Honestly, it kinda depends. It comes down to your budget, what you want, and what matters most to you. If you're after the best picture quality you can get, and you don't mind paying a bit extra for it, then, yeah, the QN85D is definitely worth a look. It's a fantastic TV that really pulls you into whatever you're watching. But if you're watching your wallet, or you don't need the absolute latest and greatest, there are definitely some more budget-friendly choices out there. The trick is to really think about what matters most to you, and figure out what fits your needs best. For me, the Samsung QN85D checks a lot of my boxes. The picture is stunning, the design is super sleek, and it's loaded with features I actually use and enjoy. Is it perfect? Nope. But it comes pretty close. At the end of the day, the best way to know if the QN85D is right for you is to go check it out in person. Head to your local electronics store, take a look, and maybe compare it with some other TVs in the same price range. Trust your own eyes and your gut. And whatever you decide, I really hope this video helped you get a better feel for what the Samsung QN85D is all about. Alright, that's the scoop on the 75-inch Samsung QN85D. What do you all think? Would you add this to your living room? Is this your dream home theater upgrade, or are you holding out for the 2025 model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if you're thinking about picking up this TV for yourself, you can find it pretty much everywhere for $1,399.99. I'll pop some handy links in the description so you can check it out easily. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.